Good evening and welcome to the video for 5th grade for Friday, April the 3rd. This will be the evening video covering the work from April the 3rd. So today we were working with dividing fractions and what we need to be able to understand or do using that particular task. So let's go ahead and take a look at our problems. Number 1, Enrique is starting a new exercise routine. He has a goal of walking 5 miles. If he walks 1/3 mile each day, how many days will it take him to walk a total of 5 miles? So we would be doing the problem 5 divided by 1/3. When we do that, we are going to do 5 times the inverse of this, which would be 3/1. So we flip the fraction over, and we can do 5 times 3 to find that it is 15 days. Number 2, which expression can be used to find the number of quarter cup servings in 3 cups? That would be 3 divided by 1/4. Number 5, we have 24 servings of ice cream, and if each serving cup is 1/6 of a quart, how many quarts of ice cream will she need? That will be 4 quarts. We're kind of doing the same thing here, but we're kind of doing it in a different way. So we would end up with multiplying 24 times 1/6 to get that. Number 6, we are going to have a minnow that is 1/4 foot long. We want to figure out how many times longer the paddlefish is. So again, I can make 12 1/4 foot size chunks out of the 3-foot paddlefish. Number 7, the amount of cereal. One serving is different for brands, but we want to buy a box of cereal that has 7 or more servings. So I can take my number of cups, multiply it by the denominator, again, because I'm going to be dividing by a fraction, flipping these numbers over. So I'll be doing 6 times 3, 4 times 4, and so forth. So 6 times 3 is going to give us 18 servings. This is going to give us 16 servings. C is only going to give us 6 servings. Letter D is only going to give us 6 servings, and letter E is going to give us 10 servings. I just realized I need to go grab the book because I cannot figure out what is going on with this picture. So the picture didn't copy very well for number 8, so I apologize. Let me find this real quick. Okay, so letter A, everything is completely filled in here. So we're going to pretend that all of this kind of thing is filled in. So 6 pages of a book in 1/3 of an hour. Took her the same length of time to read each page. How long did it take Kara to read each page? So this one can work. It would have taken 1/18 of an hour to read each page. And that would match letter C. And our other answers would be 6 divided by 1/3. That would be 18 hours. That's not going to work. And then 6/3 of an hour is also not going to work. Number 9, recipe for 3 dozen rolls calls for 1/3 cup of shortening. How much shortening is needed to make 1 dozen rolls? That would be 1/9 of a cup. So we're going to do 1/3 divided by 3. We make it as a fraction, 1/3, and we multiply 1/3 times 1/3 for that. So number 11, I'll just go ahead and let you kind of pause and read this part. Julio is correct because when we do the division part, again, we're multiplying. We're going to get 1/8 of a pound for our answer, not 8 pounds. So that covers all of our problems for today. All right, so closing announcements. I goofed up on this part really bad, so I'm just going to start over. The work for 5th grade will come home on Monday. There will be a new video at 8 a.m. on Monday covering the work that will be from the new lesson that day. New lessons will be Monday, Wednesday, Friday for you guys. You guys have the best schedule of everyone. On Tuesdays and Thursdays, when there are not new lessons, you'll be able to do Prodigy Math, and send a picture or whatever. I usually can see progress on, I get email updates of progress if you're using an account that's logged into my class. Or you can join a Zoom conference call. So I'll be doing office hours during the week. So Tuesdays and Thursdays, I'll have a time that I'll have a call hosted that you guys can come in, say hi. Maybe if I'm at my in-laws' house, you can say hi to Ernie and ask questions for math. I know we're going to be working on a lot of new things. So hopefully that will be helpful for you guys. So hope you have a great weekend, and I will see you all on Monday.